Right, so it's the 8th of April 2025. Just done a video on a trade setup I was looking at last week. Now I'm going to do analysis for this week. So you can see on the monthly, obviously very bearish. you can see it's filled this imbalance like pretty much perfectly and potentially starting to reject. So let's look at the weekly. So you can see on the weekly, you get the push up, you feel an imbalance, probably about 50% of it, then you get your push back up. What's happening now? A push up, retracement, perfectly 50%. You also have this, I guess you could call this an order block. Can you see how like this is not random? 50% of the imbalance and the top of the order block. It's not random. What about the range? Oh look, perfect OTE. But anyway, this is on the monthly. Weekly. It's not random. Come on. Anyway, now looking at the daily. Push up. Some liquidity here. Taken out. Push up. You can see that kind of closes above. Build retracement. Then we get a strong push up. Strong push up. Retracement. Feels this imbalance here. And pushes higher. All-time highs is created. Obviously you got order block. You got imbalances. But you can see it's kind of smashed through. Also the low has been now taken out. Imbalance has been filled. Maybe we could see a push up from here. We have a gap here, might want to come fill. Not much of a bottom wick on this daily though. Could we go lower to these equal lows? Also like a little OB. I don't know, is that like an area you might want to tap? I don't think so though. Let's look at the 4 hour. I'm just leaving this here anyway. Might not need it. And now looking at the 4 hour. So break, retracement down, break, retracement down, imbalance being filled to then push back down. You can now see this kind of imbalance has been completely filled now. It's quite a big area. But you can see like the last 4 hours weak bullish. Could we be going lower? Because we are feeling stuff on the way down. Be nice to see some clear breaks, whatever. Right, so we know that's been filled anyway. So let's just check the ranges again. So this range, we're in a discount. Kind of back into our premium. We have taken out a lot of liquidity on the lower side. I would need to see some strong bullish closures. Now onto the 1 hour. You can see some strong pushes down this morning to take out these lows. Some strong pushes up. Now it's slowing down a bit. Got an imbalance up here. Also like an order block. It is 10 o'clock and my trading times are from 12. So I can imagine it slowing down a little bit here. Does feel like we're rejecting a little bit in this area. Let's look at more our intraday levels now. Previous daily low. Previous daily high. We are at like the 50% of that of our levels. Asian low. Asian highs. Now I'm hoping we'll see like previous daily high or previous daily low get tapped. It's more like it just does look like we're rejecting a bit off this level. Could be looking to come lower, to be honest. But what I would want to see after 12 is I can never find path. I'd have to see something like hang on. I'll be looking for something like this. Something like that could be cool. Because obviously we've just been really strongly pushing down, and I was trying to figure out areas where it could retrace to, but it's like being this bearish is like it's tapping areas where it could reject from, but just candles like this, just really strongly like saying we're bearish, and like look at the difference of like the green candles, the red candles. We had this one big one here. So it might be a sell until proven guilty situation. The next potential level it could tap is 2930, or it could even just like sweep previous day lows. I think max target for me, if if I literally get this, what I've drawn, I'll just target Asian lows. That'll be fine. That's all I'll be looking for. Because you got like lows. Probably go break even around here. But yeah, I reckon that's what I'm looking for today. Because we're still breaking, we're still retracing to levels around here. I'm just thinking anything else I want to say. No, I think that's what I'm looking for. But yeah, obviously the entry would be like something like on this. So kind of like the retest. That is something I'm looking for. Maybe just like on the highs. Yeah, that's it. Alright, cool. That might be a long one, but it is in a tricky area. But yeah, alright. Yeah, that's it. Alright, sweet.